Alright guys, so as you read in the title, I'm going to be doing a like simple as hell Valentine's Day look. And I'm going to be using some new products that I got from this company. It's called BeautyBigBang.com. So this is them. They actually sent me some stuff. Oh my god, you can kind of see my hot Cheeto finger. Guilty. They reached out to me and asked if I wanted to review some of their stuff, and I was like, I never heard of you guys before. So like I went on their website and like saw the stuff that they have. They have really like inexpensive stuff. They have a lot of nail stuff, but they sent me like a few links of items that I can choose from. So I was able to pick out 3. I got 2 liquid lipsticks, which are in here, and I did swatch them already because I got excited. So this one is called Weirdo. So it's kind of like a dark gray. Kind of reminds me of the clapback shade that I wanted from Rihanna, so I'm excited about that one. And then I got this one, which is called Dolce, and I'm like, I'm pretty sure that's kind of like, it's called Dolce K, so like Kylie Jenner. Okay, anyway, and then I also did get this 7-piece brush set, which I'm actually very surprised with the quality of these. These are actually hella soft, you guys. Like, I honestly didn't really have high hopes for them because they're so inexpensive, you know? So it comes with this type of brush, which I don't know what I'm going to do with this because it's a little bit too dense for my liking. So there's that one. And then there's like a little angled brush. And that one's going to be good for, I think, brow product or maybe just smoking out the lower lash line. But that one's also kind of like tightly packed. And then I have this one, which is going to be good for like more lid colors. Or even just like under the brow, just adding like brow bone color there. And then I have these face brushes. I'm really excited to use this one for all over bronzer, and I really want to use this one for contouring because I have one that's kind of similar that I already used for contouring. So this is the one I use for contouring. This is the Morphe R10. So mine's hella dirty, obviously, because I use it for bronzing. I just used it yesterday, so yeah, it kind of has like that similar shape, so I want to use it for contouring. I use this for contouring, just kidding, I keep saying bronzing. But yeah, that one. And then there's like this like tapered one, which I think I'm going to use for blush or maybe just like setting the under eyes. And then there's another one. This one, I think I'm going to use this one for highlight maybe, I don't know. But they're really soft, and I'm pretty amazed with the quality. And look at the handles. The handles are so freaking cute. I think these are like unicorn, I think. I'm not too sure. I'll leave the links to everything I got down below. And they also did give me a discount code, which I'll also leave down below, or I'll put it in the screen somewhere. But yeah, I'm going to be using some of these brushes today, and you guys will see how I like them and if they're worth it or not. So yeah, just letting you guys know before you guys see these and wonder where they're from, because they're freaking cute. They're honestly really cute. Okay, so I did my brows a little bit differently today. I don't know, I kind of wanted them to be a little, they're just shaped differently at the ends. I don't even know if it's a big difference. I don't even know if you guys can even notice the difference, but I don't know, the arch isn't as prominent, I guess you can say. I don't know. I'm kind of digging it, honestly. Like, I just feel like I needed to do something different with my brows. But for today's look, I'm going to use Modern Renaissance because I feel like this is a palette that everyone has. So yeah, I'm going to dip straight into that. I'm going to take a blending brush, of course. I'm actually going to start off with the shade Buon Fresco and put that in the crease. And I'm just using the little blending brush that comes with the actual palette because I actually really like these. I think it's so funny that I'm doing a Valentine's Day tutorial or like theme tutorial because I'm not even going to do shit on Valentine's Day. I actually fucked up because I grabbed the wrong blending brush. I have like a ton of these little ones, and I had previously used a brown shade, so that's why this looks different than this side. So I picked up the brown shade that I had used before, and it sucks with when you have like black brushes, well, brushes with like the black hair bristles. It just, you can't tell if you use them or not, or what color was previously used, so I kind of messed up a bit. It'll be fine though. So I'm gonna dip in with the same, go in with that same brush and use the shade Love Letter, which is freaking pretty. And I'm gonna focus this in the crease. I love this color. It's so pretty. I'm gonna gonna clean off the brush a bit onto a napkin, and I'm gonna dip into Buon Fresco again and kind of blend out the edges. Now I'm gonna dip into Antique Bronze, just using the other side of that brush it came with, and I'm gonna focus this on the outer edge of the eye. Of the lid, I should say. And then I'm gonna take the shade Vermeer, because it's a little bit more pinky and I like that shade. And I'm gonna focus this on the inner corner. And just kind of blend it into the antique shade, the bronze, antique bronze. Jesus, I can't talk today. Just like really gonna open up the eyes. And of course you want it to be on the inner corner and the inner tear duct. I like to put it above the fold of my crease because, again, you guys know I have hooded eyelids, so this really makes it pop and you can actually see it. I'm just gonna go ahead and just do a simple liner, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my lashes, and I'll be right back. I put my lashes on. I'm actually gonna dip back into Love Letter, and I always like to deepen the crease after I put on lashes, because I just feel like it kind of switches up how the shadow looks. So I always like to go back and add more, just so that color really stands out. Just wearing the Vegas Nay Grand Glamour lashes. So now I'm just gonna get started on the face. I already put the Origins Original Skin Matte Moisturizer with Willow Herb, this one. You guys, I am obsessed with this. It's so good. I feel like it's just like a really good base for makeup, and I'm just obsessed. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of the Milk Blur Stick, and this one mattifies and fills in pores, so it's amazing. It's a good smoothing primer. Ow, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like red right here. I have a pimple right here. I have never gotten one there in my life, and on God, it's so painful. It is so painful. It's crazy, but I can't wait to pop that sucker. It hurts so bad. Anything by the nose or lips, it hurts. Foundation, I'm going to take my NARS All Day Luminous. This one is in Punjab. I love this foundation. It's beautiful. I feel like most of NARS foundations are really, really beautiful. I feel like that's the only way I can describe them. And I'm going to apply it with the Morphe sponge, which is my new favorite makeup sponge. So crazy because it looks a little bit too tan on me right now, but then during the summer it was too light, so that's hella annoying. I honestly just can't wait to be tanner, because I'm not about this pale life, you guys. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Instant Angel Wine and highlight with that. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and bake. I'm gonna use the Airspun Translucent Powder. I'll just take one of these new blending brushes. I think I'll just use this one. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a bit and then brush it off. I'm gonna go ahead and sweep away all the powder. And then kind of lightly set the rest of the face. I'm going to go in with the smaller angled brush. I'm going to go in with Love Letter and put it on the lower lash line. And I usually like to focus it just like on the outer half. And I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more of a mirror in the inner corner. Wee. And I'm going to take this bigger, oh my gosh, I look so pale right now. But this bigger fluffy brush, and I'm going to use it to bronze. And I'm just going to use my Tarte Park Avenue Princess Bronzer. This one has this like a golden sheen in it, but I don't really mind that because it's just going to make everything else look really glowy. Yes. Okay, I really, really like this brush. Because it's adding just like the right amount of product onto my face. Like it's not adding too much at all. I'm going to contour. I'm just going to go ahead and use these two shades. This is the Smashbox Step by Step Contour Palette. This is a 500 point perk. So I'm just going to mix those up and contour with this brush. Okay, not bad. I feel like it's really blending out really nicely. I like this one. And you guys are actually really, really soft. I'm going to use this brush for blush. I'm going to use Milani Luminoso, which is this pretty corally pink color. And I feel like this is just a perfect blush. And it has like a sheen to it. So it's going to give you like a little bit of a glow. Ooh. I'm going to go ahead and apply highlight. I'm using the Makeup Forever Pro Light Fusion in number 2. And it's just this one. It's super metallic-y and gorgeous. This is one of my top favorite highlighters. And I'm using this brush for it. Ooh, girl. I really liked it. And then I'm going to go ahead and use MAC Soft and Gentle OG. I really like the combination of these two because this one's like a lighter one. It's more like champagne-y, whereas the other one is like a gold, metallic gold. Alright, now so for lips, I'm going to go ahead and use, of course, what's new, MAC Cork Lip Pencil. And I'm just going to go ahead and line my lips with this. Then I'm going to go in with Anastasia's Pure Hollywood. I've been really, really loving this liquid lipstick so much lately. So I'm going to use this. Just like a little light layer of it. Because it's really pink. And I like to blend it in with the lip pencil. And of course I'm going to finish everything off with the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. It's so funny, I see everyone doing like red lips for Valentine's Day. And I know I'm single, but I'm saying if I had a man on Valentine's Day, a red lip would just, it just can't happen. So that's why I kept it nude in this look, because knowing me, no, no red lip. I'm gonna do a close-up of the final look. I feel like once you put lashes on, it looks like you put way more effort into the eye look, but it's honestly super easy, as you guys saw. It's really easy, and I actually really like how it came out. I've definitely done like a more exaggerated version of this look before, but I really like how it turned out, and I really hope you guys did too. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I'll leave the link below for this brush set, which I think is actually really cute. And I just checked on the website, they're only $9.99. And then if you use my code, it takes $1 off, which is, I mean, it's something, you know? And I believe I put in my zip code. So if you guys are from Tucson and you're watching me, you'll get it shipped for free. So that's pretty cool. That's very, very inexpensive. So yeah, I'll leave the link for these down below. And then the 2 liquid lipsticks. But yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye guys.